Alright YouTube, we are back. This is boxes 9 and 10. Box number 8 was ridiculous. Ridiculous. Babe Ruth quad jersey with 3 pinstripes, number 15. And a quad bat auto of Brooks Robinson. Another awesome case. And wow. He doesn't have either one of these teams, but I would be very surprised if this card went to either one of the people that own the team tonight. Alright, Barry Zito for the A's, number 17 of 99. And we got a redemption. I'm pretty sure this is going to go to the Braves. 07 Premier Baseball Premier Penmanship Auto, John Smoltz. Very rare auto to pull of John Smoltz. Does not sign much. That goes to the Braves, which will be Junglecarp. And for the Nationals, we got a rookie of Beltran Perez. Manufactured goes to the Giants of Christy Mathewson, number 2 of 10. Then for the Padres, we got a triple jersey, 41 of 75 of Tony Gwynn. Patch goes to the Mets, 1 color, 2 color, 16 of 75 of Tom Glavine. And the last card is freaking nasty. Nasty autos. 4 of 25 dual auto. Red Sox and Yankees. Walt, get ready to flip your lid. Wade Boggs and Don Mattingly. That is sick. What a case. Alright, last box. Here we go. Last box of the break. Two patches in the last pack. For the Indians, we got Jeremy Sowers, the 99. And for the Twins, 21 of 25 autograph, good looking auto on here. Torrey Hunter, 21 of 25 base parallel auto. Rookie is for the Rockies of Alvin Colina. Manufacturer patch goes to the Astros of Nolan Ryan, 26 of 50. Then for the Reds, number 1 of 75, eBay 101, triple jersey, Ken Griffey Jr. And this is the second patch of this guy for the White Sox. 3-color, 2-color, 2-color. Jim Thome. Again, for the White Sox. Number to 91. And the last hit is a dual patch, 74 of 75. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. Tons of breaks. Miguel Cabrera for the Marlins. Great looking patches. Always get nice Marlins patches. So that was it. That was the 10-box case of 07 Premier. Great case. I know some guys didn't get anything, but overall that was nasty. And we got some randoms to do. Peace.